Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome to English Quizly channel. Today we are going to do a video on articles. So, what are articles? Imagine you are in a big toy store. You see many toys like a ball, car, and a doll, and many toys. You want to tell your friend about the toys you see, but you don't know how to point them out. This is where articles come in. Articles are like little words that help us point out the things we are talking about. There are three articles in English. There are a, and the. Okay? So we use a or an before nouns that start with a consonant sound. For example, we say a ball, an apple, an umbrella. Okay, and we use the before nouns that start with a vowel sound or have a special meaning. For example, we say the elephant, the sun, or the book. So, to recap, articles are the little helper words that help us to talk about things. We use a and an to talk about one thing, and we use the to talk about a specific thing. I hope you got an idea about articles. Let's see some examples of articles. She is a beautiful girl. I saw an elephant in the zoo. He is an intelligent boy. I have an apple. There is a river flowing through the city. I like to read the books. I saw a tiger in the forest. She is a talented singer. I have a pencil. There is a big tree in our backyard. I like to eat an ice cream. He is a hard-working farmer. I saw a airplane flying in the sky. She is a kind woman. I have a book on animals. There is a mountain near my house. I saw the cat that lives next door. He is a brave soldier. I saw a ship sailing in the sea. I have a cat. There is the sun in the sky. I saw the movie last night. He is a teacher. I saw a car driving on the road. She is a doctor. I have a pen. There is a table in the kitchen. I am going to the doctor tomorrow. He is a police officer. I saw a bird flying in the sky. She is an engineer. I have a computer. There is a chair in the living room. I ate the pizza for dinner. He is an actor. I saw a movie last night. She is a writer. I have a book on history. There is a museum in the city. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.